Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because today you'll discover hidden WhatsApp features you probably never use. WhatsApp is one of the most used apps in the world. We use it every day for chatting, calling, and sharing photos. But most people only use 30% of what WhatsApp can actually do. In this video, I'll show you secret and hidden WhatsApp features that can save your time, protect your privacy, and make your life easier. 1. Lock WhatsApp with fingerprint or Face ID. You can lock WhatsApp using your fingerprint or Face ID. This means even if someone has your phone, they still can't open your chats. Just go to Settings, Privacy, and turn on Fingerprint or Face Lock. 2. Send messages without saving numbers. You don't need to save a number to send a WhatsApp message. You can use WhatsApp's direct chat feature by using a simple link. This is very useful for business or one-time conversations. 3. Hide your last seen from specific people. WhatsApp allows you to hide your last seen from selected contacts. You can choose who can see your online status and who cannot. This gives you more control over your privacy. Read messages without blue ticks. You can read messages without letting the sender know. Use airplane mode or read messages from notification preview. This helps when you don't want to reply immediately. 5. Pin important chats at the top. You can pin important chats so they always stay at the top. This feature is perfect for family, work, or business chats. 6. Send disappearing messages automatically. WhatsApp lets you send messages that disappear after a set time. You can choose 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. This keeps your chat history clean and private. 7. Use WhatsApp on multiple devices. You can use WhatsApp on multiple devices at the same time. Your chats stay synced even if your phone is offline. This is perfect for people who work on laptops or tablets. 8. Turn off media auto download. WhatsApp automatically downloads photos and videos. You can turn this off to save storage and mobile data. This keeps your phone fast and clean. 9. Hide your profile photo from strangers. You can control who sees your profile picture. Set it to My Contacts or Nobody to protect your privacy. 10. Create custom notifications for contacts. You can set custom notification sounds for specific contacts. 11. Star important messages. You can star important messages to find them easily later. This is useful for addresses, passwords, or important notes. 12. Export chat history. WhatsApp allows you to export chat history. You can save important conversations as a file or email them to yourself. 13. Check how much storage each chat uses. Most people don't know that WhatsApp shows exactly which chats use the most storage. You can see how many photos, videos, and files each chat has. This helps you delete unnecessary data and free space easily. 14. Silence unknown callers. If you receive calls from unknown numbers, WhatsApp allows you to silence them. The call won't ring, but it will still appear in your call list. This feature is very useful for avoiding spam calls. 15. Edit sent messages. Yes, you can now edit messages after sending them. If you made a typing mistake, just long press the message and edit it. This saves you from embarrassment. 16. Use WhatsApp as a personal notes app. You can message yourself on WhatsApp. Save ideas, reminders, links, or important notes. It works like a personal notebook that is always with you. 17. Hide archived chats forever. Archived chats don't need to come back to your main chat list. You can keep them hidden even if new messages arrive. This keeps your WhatsApp clean and organized. 18. See who read your message in groups. In group chats, you can check exactly who read your message. Just long press the message and view info. This is helpful for work and important announcements. 19. Control who can add you to groups. You can stop random people from adding you to WhatsApp groups. Choose My Contacts or Nobody in privacy settings. This gives you full control. 20. Send photos without losing quality. WhatsApp compresses images by default, but you can send photos as documents to keep original quality. This is perfect for photographers and professionals. This way, you'll know who messaged you without even looking at your phone. Final message. These hidden WhatsApp features can save your time, protect your privacy, and make messaging smarter. Most people never use them, but now you know. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and hidden app features.